Hi, I'm Mark Allen. Thanks for joining me here on Expert Village. All right, now that the butter is almost melted, lower your heat to low. All right, now I want you to take some ordinary yellow mustard or salad mustard, whichever you prefer. Take it, and we're going to put it into the pan. And I like it mustardy because it hides the flavor of the Brussels sprouts. It actually blends with it. And then stir that together so that you have the mustard and the butter working together. And you can bring your flame up a little bit higher. Next, take some Worcestershire sauce and add that to the mix. And cover that mustard up. You can see what it looks like. And then just let it sit here for a couple of minutes. Bring the heat up medium-high and let it cook there for another minute or two.